Hey, this here's Joey at Best Trailers. Here today I'm going to show you the Sundowner trailer we just got in. This is the 16-foot model, the Stockman Express model. It's an all aluminum frame, so you've got an extremely lightweight trailer, durable trailer built to last. Now, if you've been in the horses and livestock for a while, you know aluminum is the way to go when it goes to livestock. All that urine and cow, horse crap, all of it. Very abrasive on the steel trailers. Just wash it right out on these aluminum trailers. Now, like I said, this is a 16-foot. You've got tread plate going across the top of the tongue here. 6'6" interior height, all aluminum side panels, aluminum fenders, roof. We've got the 3,500-pound axles underneath it with these 6-lug tires. Now, these are the 225 75 R16 tires, and they are Goodyear endurance tires. So they're a good heavy-duty made tire, USA built tire, Goodyear tire. You've got LED lights all the way around it. Now, like I said, this is 16-foot, so you've got a split 8 and 8. There's a slam gate in the middle. On the rear here, you have the swing gate with the slider as well. That'll be standard options. There is a walk-through door on each side on the front. You can see that up front. One on this side, one on the other side. We do aluminum and steel livestock trailers. Come see us today in Best Trailers in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.